Welcome to City Grown. My name's Rob Vore. This episode is another version of shrimp scampi. I love shrimp scampi. So I've got this other recipe. It's going to really hint of what restaurants that are out there, especially a chain restaurant that's very big that serves seafood. So this is almost dead on to what they're doing. So what I'm out here on the grill. I've got an iron skillet. It's warmed up by the grill right now, and I have some olive oil and butter, and I'm just going to bring that in here and let that melt. And I have about, I don't know, 6 cloves of minced garlic, fresh minced garlic. I really love garlic in this. Fresher the better, right? So I'll go ahead and put that in there like that. I'm going to let this kind of saute just a bit, and we'll come right back, put the shrimp in and all the other ingredients. Okay, it's been several minutes. I have my olive oil, my butter, my garlic. It's being really fragrant right now. I can smell that garlic when I open up this lid. It's ready for the shrimp. It's ready also for, I have some lemon juice, some black pepper, and oregano. Just gonna go ahead and pour that in there just like so. And then go ahead and get my shrimp out of the bowl here. Nice medium-sized shrimp, thanks to the shrimp guy down here in Columbia, South Carolina. The best seafood you can ever get, fresh as can be. Highly recommend getting seafood out of this guy. Anyways, I'll go ahead and put the shrimp in here just like that. I want to get this nice and pink. I got about a medium heat of 250 degrees, almost to 300. Okay, we're almost ready. Let's check on the shrimp. All this is looking beautiful, nice and pink. It's done basically. Kind of second to last step, I'm going to take grated Parmesan cheese and put this in here. Oh, just like so. Just like that. I'll even mix this up just a little bit. Get that in there, some of that sauce that's in there too. Let that cook maybe about 1 more minute, and then we're going to take it inside and get the last step of this shrimp scampi. This is going to taste great. All right, I brought the Parmesan garlic butter shrimp scampi inside the house. I have some breadcrumbs. I've toasted the breadcrumbs already. You could do this, this whole recipe you could do inside on an oven, but I'm just trying to do it on a grill. What's nice now, the Parmesan cheese in here is really thickening up everything. Now my breadcrumbs, I'm just gonna put this in here, get that nice and coated. It's gonna heat up because this pan's so hot right now. This is going to be amazing. What you want to do is serve this over either white rice or pasta of some sort, spaghetti or angel hair pasta. That all works. This is going to be great. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the recipe at citygrilling.com. You're going to love this type of shrimp scampi.